leaves are falling, whispers in the breeze, a tapestry woven through swaying trees, raindrops weaving stories on the window glass. Memories linger as fleeting moments pass. Oh, October, with your sky so gray, each raindrop that falls carries dreams away, and golden glows through shadows we roll. In the heart of the tempest, I know I am home. Cozy shadow dance in the twilight's grey, enveloped by warmth in this perfect place. The world softens gently in your tender grace. Hand in hand, our love shines bright and bold. October, with the sky so gray, each raindrop that falls carries dreams away, and golden glows through shadows we roll. In the heart of the tempest, I know I am home. Every drop that falls sings a tale of a faith in the rhythm of rain. Hearts resonate as the answers unfold. Together we'll stand, embracing the night. Oh, October, with your sky so gray, each raindrop that falls carries dreams away, in golden glows through shadows we roll. In the heart of the tempest, I know I am home. So let the rain fall, let our spirits soar in this autumn